Most of us apply the lipstick wrongly. So, want to know how to apply it perfectly? Then stay tuned. Learning how to apply lipstick is one of the very most important things you can do when it comes to makeup. Lipstick is a makeup staple. It can brighten your face, prevent it from looking washed out, provide a pop of color to your skin, and generally amp up your makeup to finish it off beautifully. So, here are steps guiding about how to apply lipstick and that will ensure your lipstick stays out as long as you do. 1. Exfoliate your lips. Exfoliating is very important. It removes dead skin, leaving your lips soft. You can use a store-bought lip scrub or make a homemade lip scrub. Then rinse off with warm water. One way of exfoliating lip is using honey sugar lip scrub, sugar being one of the best natural exfoliants, and honey with all its moisturizing ability can be mixed together to make a wonderful lip scrub. Mix a spoon of honey with 2 spoons of sugar. Apply it on your lip and stay for some time. Wipe off with the help of a piece of wet cloth by very gentle circular motions. 2. Moisturize your lips with some lip balm. Open the lip balm and run the stick across your bottom and upper lip. If it comes in a little jar, use your finger to apply it instead. This will not only help soften your lips and make them smooth, but it will also help the lip liner and lipstick go on more evenly. Leave the lip balm on for a few minutes. You can do the rest of your makeup while you wait. 3. Apply a little foundation. This may sound a bit off your daily makeup routine, but applying a very little foundation on your lips before applying your lipstick will keep your lipstick forms wearing off too soon. Apply a minimal amount on your lips with your finger or a brush before prepping up for your makeup. 4. Apply a lip liner. Lip liners prevent your lipstick from bleeding and defines your lip line to make you stand out. Apply the lip liner on the outline of your lips before applying. Make sure your lip liner is lighter or of the same shade as your lipstick so that it does not look very odd when you've used a liner. 5. Apply the lipstick. After you have applied your lip liner, it's time to use the lipstick. You can either apply it directly or use a brush for perfection. Ensure that you apply your lipstick within the lip liner to avoid bleeding of your lipstick. 6. Put on a second coat. The first one acted as a sort of base. This second coat will give you a lasting, more intense color. 7. Blot the inside of your lips. Stick your finger into your mouth, close your lips around it, and then pull your finger out. This will help prevent any lipstick from getting onto your teeth. 8. Make your lipstick last longer by dusting it with powder. Gently pull a tissue apart so that you end up with 2 thin sheets. Press one of the sheets against your lips and lightly dust it with some translucent setting powder. Pull the tissue away and apply a second coat of lipstick. 9. Clean the outer edges of your lips with some concealer. Dip a thin brush into a concealer that matches your skin tone, then outline your lips with it. Blend it outward into your foundation. It will not only give your lips a nice, crisp outline, but it will also prevent the lipstick from smearing. 10. Try adding some shimmer with lip gloss. It is not necessary, but it will add some sparkle and shine. It will also help your lips appear plumper. You do not need to apply the lip gloss all over your lips, you can just dab a small amount to the center of your bottom lip. Check out the Beauty Zone channel for best lipsticks to buy at discount along with its reviews.